Welcome to the Stoic Formula, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. If you're ready to think clearly, act decisively, and live with purpose, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into timeless Stoic principles that can transform how you make decisions. Let's get into it. Stoic principles for effective decision-making. In a world where we're constantly bombarded by information, opinions, and pressure to act quickly, effective decision-making can be difficult. Ancient Stoicism, a philosophy founded in the 3rd century BCE, offers practical wisdom that remains relevant today. By focusing on rationality, self-discipline, and clarity of thought, Stoic principles can serve as a powerful guide to making better decisions in both personal and professional life. 1. Control what you can. Accept what you can't. At the core of Stoicism is the dichotomy of control, the idea that some things are up to us and others are not. Effective decision-making starts with recognizing this difference. Some things are in our control and others not. Epictetus. Application. Before making a decision, identify what aspects you can influence. Don't waste time or energy agonizing over factors beyond your control. This focus sharpens your thinking and prevents paralysis by analysis. 2. Use reason over emotion. Stoics emphasized rationality as the highest human virtue. Emotions aren't to be ignored, but they shouldn't dictate our actions. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. Marcus Aurelius. Application. When faced with a tough decision, step back. Ask yourself, what would I advise a friend to do in this situation? This shift in perspective often clarifies the path forward and minimizes emotional bias. 3rd, practice premeditatio malorum, premeditation of evils. This Stoic exercise involves imagining what could go wrong, not to promote pessimism, but to prepare for setbacks. Application. Before making a major decision, consider potential obstacles and how you would respond. This increases resilience and helps you create contingency plans, reducing the fear of failure. 4. Live according to nature and virtue. For the Stoics, decisions should align with one's nature as a rational social being. This means acting ethically and with integrity. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Marcus Aurelius. Application. Evaluate choices not just on outcomes, but on whether they align with your values. This principle encourages long-term thinking over short-term gains and builds a reputation for trustworthiness. 5. Memento mori. Remember you will die. This reminder of mortality isn't morbid, it's motivating. It sharpens your priorities and encourages you to act with urgency and purpose. Application. When you hesitate or overthink, remember life is finite. Ask, if this were my last year, would this decision matter? The answer can bring clarity and courage. 6. Amor fati, love of fate. Rather than merely accepting what happens, Stoics believed in embracing it fully. Every decision leads to an outcome, and even setbacks are opportunities for growth. Application. Make the best decision you can, and afterward, embrace the results without regret. This mindset frees you from perfectionism and builds resilience. Conclusion. Stoicism doesn't offer easy answers, but it does provide a sturdy framework for thinking clearly and acting decisively. In times of uncertainty, applying Stoic principles like rational thinking, acceptance of what is, and commitment to virtue can transform how we make decisions. In the words of Seneca, a wise man is content with his lot, whatever it may be, without wishing for what he has not. By integrating these ancient insights into our modern lives, we can navigate complex choices with confidence, clarity, and calm. Thanks for watching the Stoic Formula. If you found value in today's lesson, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little Stoic clarity. Remember, control what you can, accept what you can't, and always choose virtue.